If you are looking for a good life, to live in a good location, the Jigsaw Condominium 2 will fulfill your life. Hello everyone, you are here with me, Nun Perfect Home, and today we are at Jigsaw Condominium. This condominium is located in Chiang Mai Business Park and it's very close to all amenities. And this building has offered a great facility like fitness center, cover parking, security 24 hours, and you will need a card to scan into the building. And this building also offers an entrance lounge, and also it comes with a security person that is on from 9 to 5 o'clock every day, and it also have got a very nice garden on each floor of this condominium. There is no any other condominium like this, and I cannot wait to show you. But before we go inside the room, this unit had offered 67.85 square meter. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, fully furnished and ready to move in. So let's start it. Alright, so now we are just inside the apartment. The first thing that you will see, this is a digital door lock. You will need a key card to access to the apartment. And on my right hand, this is where you keep all your shoes to make it look more clean and tidy. It's also got this shelf around here where you can keep some stuff like the key or some other that you need to. And this area, this is an open plan living area that has 2 big mirrors on each corner. And look at this sofa, look really comfy. You can just sit here and relax all day. I would love that. And just right next to here, this is another storage, I would say, but it also comes with this shelf here where you can add some cute stuff here like this current owner done. Very nice. And this area, this is a cooking area. It's had decorated with very nice tile. This is more like dark blue color. I love it. It's come with this like a built-in stove, come with the hood and the shelf from the top to the bottom. And it has got this thing, a washing machine and the refrigerator as well. Really nice. And this corner, this current owner used it as a dining area. It's come with a big table set, 2 chairs. It's got this big mirror here, come with the screen as well. It's really nice. let's go check the bedroom. This guest bedroom currently is just an office. This current owner just use this one just for working and store some other stuff. But if you would like to add some another bed, it will be 3 to 5 foot, and this will be for the head, and this is where you add some television. It's got this built-in furniture here and also the shelf here. All the room in this apartment has air conditioner, so total is around 3 air conditioner, and the whole unit is decorated with wallpaper. On my right hand side here, actually this is my left hand, this is a balcony where you can hang the clothes or do some other activity. And all the window has got a screen net, so you can leave the glass door open and only close this one. It will allow to get more fresh air into your apartment. This built-in wardrobe is also look really nice. It's built from the floor to the ceiling, and it's also matching with the other furniture in this apartment. And this corner, this is a dressing table, come with big mirror here. And right behind me, this is a bathroom that has come with wet and dry area, big shower with a glass door. Very good. Now let's go check the master bedroom. I personally really like this apartment. This current owner has kept all the furniture in a good condition. And now we are in the master bedroom. This master bedroom is really spacious. It has come with a 5-foot bed, and this is a balcony where you can set a sitting area to enjoy your morning or afternoon tea. Right behind me, this is another shelf, built-in furniture, very convenient, and the wardrobe is part built from the floor to the ceiling. Really big wardrobe. And right behind me, this is a Jack and Jill bathroom. Look really modern and nice. So alright, what do you think about this apartment? Please comment below. Before I end this video, let's talk about the location. The Jigsaw Condominium is located in the Business Park area, and it's close to all amenities that you will need, like the coffee shop, the restaurant. It's also close to a high-end shopping mall like Central Festival Shopping Mall, and a good hospital like Bangkok Hospital, and the very nice and also favorite education area like Payap University, and also the grocery shop like Macco shop. This Jigsaw Condominium is also close to Chiang Mai International Airport. It's only 15-minute drive, so that is very convenient. And this condominium is very easy to get from the town to here. So let's start from the Central Festival. Get on the road 118 and make a U-turn to the road number 11. You drive a little bit and then you will see Chiangmai Business Park. Just turn left to the soy number 3 and then you will see the Jigsaw 2 on your left hand side. So for anyone that would like to see this great property, you can comment below or call me at this number. And I recommend you to subscribe now so you don't miss a great property from us. And don't forget to like and share as well. Thank you very much and I will see you in the next video.